Are you looking for some special? I promise you, you will happy to see this video. Watch carefully till the end, and don't miss to hit the subscriber button. Shengmilo MX-21 is a superb electric bicycle that promises exciting rides every time. The Shengmilo MX-21 is small in size with a sturdy aluminum frame that is durable and long-lasting. The battery is hidden inside the frame, which keeps intruders at bay, while the compact electric motor on the rear wheel is extremely powerful. The fat tires ensure a steady grip on the road, so you can use it on smooth roads as well as on rugged terrain.